Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Notion to track your habits and build strong daily routines, completely for free. First, create a new database in Notion and set the view to table. This will be your habit tracker. Name your first column, Habit. Here, list the habits you want to build, like read 10 pages, exercise, or meditate. Next, add a property for each day of the week. Use the checkbox type for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so on. As you complete a habit each day, simply check the box. This gives you a clear, satisfying visual of your progress. For an overview, add a last done property with a date type. This will automatically show you the last time you completed each habit. To see your consistency, create a roll-up property that counts your checked boxes for the week. This shows you your success rate at a glance. Finally, switch to the gallery view to see your habits as cards, which can be more motivating and visual. And that's it. You now have a powerful, personalized system to build routines and track your progress over time. If this helps you build a good habit, let me know which one you're working on in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.